Welcome to WebStarPlus. How to conditionally add properties to object in JavaScript. Let's say we have got an object. Like this. It has got two properties, amount and discount. How can we conditionally add discount property to this object? In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, first, let's take a boolean. Apply discount. Its value is false. We want to conditionally add discount property to this object if apply discount is true. Spread operator can be used to add properties to objects conditionally. Instead of this, we can use this. This is spread operator. Apply discount and end. Now discount disappeared because apply discount is false. If we change it to true, discount appeared here. Simple, right? Spread operator allows us to copy all or part of an existing array or object into another array or object. So use spread operator to conditionally add properties to objects like this. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.